How to turn off comments on your post on TikTok. Now, hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off comments on your post on TikTok. Now, first open TikTok now and then click on your post. Here is it. Click on it and then click this three points. Now click privacy settings, then here you will find the comments. Now just turn it off and go back, and that's it. Now just make sure it's disabled. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.